How to download and install Meta AI app. Installing the Meta AI app on your device is very simple. Go to Play Store if you have an Android, and if you have an iPhone, then go to App Store. Now go to the search bar on the top and search for Meta AI. Here you will see the app. Click on this app and click on the install option to install the application to your device. And it is that simple to install Meta AI to your device. However, if the app is not showing up on your Play Store or App Store, then you can even install this using your web browser. Open any of your preferred web browser, for example Chrome, and search for Meta AI app. Now search for it, and on the result page you will see the Google Play link. Click on the install option right here to install the Meta AI. If that's not showing up, then you can click on the Meta AI official website. From the website also you can get many features. You can create pictures and videos from the website directly. So if you cannot find the app in the Play Store, App Store or in your web browser, the only option left is to use the web browser. So this is how you can download and install Meta AI to your device. That is all for today. Thank you.